Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the key fob battery and that you have a spare if needed. A weak battery prevents communication. Once seated with doors closed, insert the key and turn it to the accessory position. This powers vehicle electronics without starting the engine. Make sure dash lights are on. You do this to allow the vehicle to detect the fob. If the vehicle has push-button start, press the brake and press the start button without starting. This puts it in the same state. Now you proceed to pair and confirm remote function. You press lock then unlock on the fob while the vehicle is in accessory mode. Some models require repeating lock/unlock 4 times. Follow the specific sequence in your owner's manual. Once done, make sure to press lock to finish. You should hear a horn chirp or C-lock cycle. That confirms pairing. If you're simply using the key, test door lock, trunk, and remote start if equipped, because each function uses the same radio link. To finish, turn the ignition off and step away about 10 to 30 feet to test range and button responses. This verifies reliable communication. If response is weak or intermittent, replace the coin battery in the fob and retest because signal strength depends on battery voltage. If the key remains unresponsive, try the spare key to isolate the issue. And if neither key works, make sure to contact a dealer or qualified locksmith for reprogramming. Sometimes the module needs a diagnostic reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.